Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Seems like my videos are coming few and far between of lately. Only reason being is because we do get quite a lot of videos up there, so we tend to cater for quite a lot of the cars. This one today we haven't done before, but this is a Mazda 6. It has got the original rear camera on the car, so it does work with that. We did have to put an extra wire in to actually convert it over to the signal, so it gets it into the system. Just to let you know, this is the system is all touchscreen, works with the steering wheel controls, which you can see just doing it in the background, but you do have a command section in between the seats here which do not work with this, unfortunately, so just bear that in mind. Anyway, so this is the Style 4 system, which comes with the 2K resolution. It's a new interface, so we haven't got many videos up there. I think we've got an Audi A3 up on the YouTube channel, but it is quite expensive, but it is the piece de resistance. It's on the top end one. You're going to get the total top end spec in this particular system, so you do pay out for your money for on this one. It is quite expensive, but as I say, if you don't mind it and your car's your baby, then obviously go for it. Just to show you this, I say there's other videos which are a bit more extensive than this, so I'm just going to show you briefly on this what this has got. But again, I'm not going to go too much into detail because we do have an Audi A3 which I do have a long video on, but this one here, as you can see, this is where all your apps are. You can see, I'll just show you if I can see if it's I'm just wanted to show you the video player, just to show you how clean and perfect the screen is. As you can see, it's lovely, dead vibrant. Let me have a look at this one video here. These are just demo videos that the factory put on for you. Picture in picture there. Yeah, I'm not going to show you too much, to be honest with you. The vehicle settings. So you tend to have the car's CD, so if it's got a CD panel down there, it tends to be relatable towards working with that one there. DSP sound processor, so if you're into your sound outputs and putting subs and amps and stuff to your car. See how quick it is and all too. The processor's a core. It does have, like, as I say, it's got all the top end spec that you wouldn't expect paying for this quite expensive unit. Root, I don't even know what that one is. There's an online DAB app to it and all. This one here, let me have a little look at your Bluetooth. This is pretty new, this system, to be honest with you. There's a online DAB app which is on, you can customise these down here, Google Maps sort of thing, online radio. Okay, so there you go. So at least how quick, how quick's that, guys? Yeah, so basically this is your online DAB radio app. It does need an internet connection. As you can see, there's loads of stations there. We haven't really had to play around with it, but the region's America, so obviously you can change it down here. Let's have a little look what we've got down here. It's a bit more relatable to ourselves. There's Ireland there. Where's the United Kingdom? Can you see it? Oh. Let's put it down to Ireland. So you can get loads of different stations through different regions. Russian things here. So you'll probably be able to find whatever. They see all these countries down here. They're just basically relatable towards all personal DAB radio stations in your local area. Okay, there's your Bluetooth, there's your CarLink. It does have built-in CarPlay and Android Auto. It is wireless if you want to go down that route. Let's have a little look at this. As I say, the other video I've got on YouTube channel, if you are interested, just put Audi A3 Iceboxauto into YouTube and you'll bring up the video, which is a bit longer to this. I'll just go into here, a few more apps on here which I'll show you. So you got your Google Play Store there, which if you want to download any apps. This one is, one second, that's your DAB radio app which I showed you before. I say it works with your steering wheel controls, take your phone calls to it, music streaming. Got a few browsers here if you want to do some internet shopping. And there's your YouTube, which you're probably watching this video on. Yeah, sorry it's short, guys, but obviously the time is getting quite late in the day and the customer has travelled over from France, believe it or not, to get this fitted. As you can see, this is a left-hand drive car, which is over here. It's always nice to get people who far and wider spread, who know us from different countries, coming over to us. So yeah, so I'll just if you got any questions, give us a holler. I'll put the link down in the description below. All our contact details and a link to the product on the website, and we hope to see you soon. Okay, have a nice day, take care, bye.